Hey everyone, Chad here from Call Recap AI, and today I am going to show you guys how to remove the view audit logs from your CRM. So for your agency, a lot of times you guys don't want your clients going into the settings, and if they have this button here, as you can see, and you click that button, it will actually take them into the backend settings of your platform. So even if you have your settings button hidden there, they can still get in. So I'm going to show you guys how to take that out with just a little piece of code. So here we go. So the first thing you're going to need to do is switch to your agency view. Okay. And then once you're in your agency view, you're going to go ahead and hit your settings. And once you're in your settings, you're going to get to company. And once you're in the company, you're going to scroll down until you see custom CSS. And then you're going to paste this data in there. This code that I'm going to give you guys, it's going to be in the description of this video. And then once you've done that, you can go back to your locations, open up a contact, and refresh your screen. And you no longer have a button or an audit log, so they can't get into the settings anymore. Hope that helps, guys, and hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.